In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine videos with Shotcut Video Editor quick and easy. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to line up multiple clips into one seamless sequence using just a couple of clicks and drags. Start by opening Shotcut on your computer. At the top, click Open File. This is where you choose the videos you want to combine. First, click the video you want to start with. Then hold the Control key on your keyboard and click the other video you want to include. If you have more than 2 clips, keep holding Control and click each additional file you want to add. Selecting them all at once saves time and makes sure everything is ready to go in one step. When you're done selecting, click Open. Your selected videos will be loaded into Shotcut and ready to use. You'll see them appear in your project area, and from here, you can arrange them in the order you want. To build your combined video, simply drag the first clip down onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen, then drag the second clip right after the first one. Make sure the edges touch so there's no gap between them. If you're adding more than 2, continue dragging each clip onto the timeline in the sequence you prefer. You can change the order at any time by clicking and dragging clips forward or backward on the same track. If a clip snaps into place against another, that's perfect. It helps keep everything tight and avoids accidental blank spaces. If you need a closer look while arranging, you can zoom in on the timeline to see the edges clearly and ensure the clips butt together cleanly. A quick tip: you don't have to worry about permanently changing anything when you rearrange clips on the timeline. You're just organizing them for playback, and you can always drag them again if you change your mind. Also, if you added more files than you need, you can leave extras unused without affecting the sequence you've built. And that's it. You've combined your videos in Shotcut by opening your files, selecting as many as you need with the Control key, and dragging them onto the timeline in the order you want. It's quick, flexible, and easy to adjust as you go. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.